Do you dream of becoming the best Pilates teacher you can be? Welcome to Hearts and Bones Pilates. Hi, my name is Tanya Harad. Would you like to become an exceptional Pilates teacher or teacher trainer? A teacher that can inspire and motivate, that can be creative with the original Pilates work? Would you like to invite movement into people's bodies? We give you all the knowledge you need to be the best Pilates teacher you can be. Hearts and Bones Pilates offers mentorship, training and workshops for committed Pilates teachers. If you want to be the best Pilates teacher you can be, get in touch today. Get in touch today.